So today is all about exploring the idea of data institutions, what they are, why they're important. Data's driving our world, and to understand how we can govern it to best effect, make it widely available, engage the broadest range of stakeholders to maximize its economic and societal benefit, that's what it is to set up an effective data institution.
So we really wanted to show some of the practical, real examples of data institutions in the world and explore some of the conversations that are going on about really difficult topics, like how do you properly get engagement around data institutions? What kinds of business models do they need to adopt?
If we ensure that we have a really clear understanding of the political economy, we have a sustainability model that's focused on providing tools and services that people need and will be prepared to pay for, and finally, really deeply understanding the policy environment that we're working in, I think we're likely to come out of this challenging period and look ahead into the future with much, much stronger data institutions as a result.
It's really heartening to hear the real drive behind looking at data in a different way and being driven by public good and just how it can really support health, but also around tackling crime and also how we can properly uncover financial wrongdoings.
I think there are some great advantages to doing this online. First of all, I think the platform is great. A lot of people can join who otherwise would have never had a chance to travel to London for the day. This gives us a lot wider reach and makes the ODI's work and our work a lot more accessible.
People being able to digest, talk about, reflect on content as it's happening, and then also be able to discuss that with participants, I think is a massive plus for this sort of format and this platform. And I was really pleased with that. I think it worked really well.
I would definitely encourage people to take part in events organized by ODI, largely because the quality of the content in terms of the discussions, the kind of people that are there, the sort of leaders in thinking about some of these questions.
Today's event has been a great success. We've had rich engagement. It basically reflects the direction of travel that the ODI is taking with its research and development work and the projects that we're taking forward. And I think it's a really exciting time to see this space emerge.
Today's event is set in a context of a global pandemic. If anything illustrates the need and requirement to share data between ourselves, between organizations of all types, it is tackling the COVID-19 virus.